Hi, it's Cheryl here today. I'm back again, as I told you before in the previous video on my DIY. Easy peasy. You can try it. It won't take but maybe less than 5 minutes. So if you want to see what I did, check out the card above. Check out that video. So if you like everything home and garden, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. And I appreciate all those that keep coming back. And today I'm going to give you a quick preview of a little bit of Christmas decorating that I started here in my bedroom. So let's get started. Hey guys, I'm back. I am starting to decorate in my bedroom here, and I have this little white tree that I've had for a while, and I've already put the lights on it, and that little star at the top may keep it up there. I'm not sure, I just stuck it up there for right now. So we will be decorating this tree in a minute here. And as I mentioned before in my previous video when I did the DIY, I put these on each side of those little white Dollar Tree trees that I picked up. I kind of wanted to put them on the mantle, but I'm not sure yet. I'd have to take off the little stands and maybe find some little pots. Still debating if I'm going to even put lights on them. But let's take a closer look so you can see what they look like here. See, I've already put a little topper, just set it there. That's probably what I'm going to use. And these are the frames that I made in my previous DIY. So I hope you would check out that video. I'll link it above and below. So that was fun and easy. And so we're going to back up a little bit so I can show you my mantle garland that I put up here. And it's still crooked. I also have those two little mercury glass bottles that I found at the Dollar Tree that I was going to do a DIY for Halloween. I still might do something for Christmas on these two, or I may just leave them plain. I think they look nice. Maybe I'll leave them as they are. If you can see them. Let's see, up two. And okay, I'm getting ready to put the garland and the ornaments on, so I'm not going to be talking. I just want you to watch and enjoy. Okay, I'm getting ready to put the garland on. Just wanted to give you a quick tip on the hooks that you put on the halls with boughs of holly. Happen to run out. You definitely don't have season to be jolly. You got paper clips. You break them in half and they work nice as ornament hangers. So there you go. So let's start putting this garland on. Passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. To be jolly. Okay, I'm back. I put all the ornaments on the tree. Camera doesn't give it much justice, but it's pretty. I put the star at the top, and I decided to use the picks I had for part of the tree topper. So let's get up close so you can see what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to start from the bottom and just work way up. And you can see up close how pretty the ornaments are. I put most of those blue little snowflakes on the tree. These are really the only teal ornaments I have. And at the top here, I put all the picks around and put the star at the top. But I think it came out all right. Hope you like it. Just like I said, it looks a lot better up close. I see where I got 3 of those snowflakes in a row. So I'm going to have to move one of them out the way. Let's stick it up here. Those are easy. You don't even have to hang them. They just stick. And you see how pretty these look like little pieces of ice. And then I decided I had some extra ones. Well, one must have fell down. But I put them up here. Oh, maybe that one I put on the tree jumped over on the floor. Oh no, there we go. So I put them there. Just put a couple up there. And but there we go, guys. I'm gonna back up so you can see the whole tree. And this is probably a part 1. I'll probably come back. I'm gonna be probably putting some gifts under the tree that's gonna be blue and white. And I'll show you how I decorate those little white Christmas trees here. And when it's all done, I will give you a tour of probably just this area is the only area that I decorate. I have a wreath over here. I'll probably hook it up to the top of the mantle. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.